Do you want to make a dish that everyone will remember? Well, these oven-baked ribs are a great idea. They turn out super tender, and there's a trick that makes the bone practically come out on its own. Crispy on the outside, and the meat inside just falls apart.
We're going to prepare a delicious rack of ribs. It would be the same if you want to make several. The trick is to pour a little bit of vinegar on top and coarse salt to taste, as always. We have to do this and massage it a little on top so the seasoning soaks in. We do the same on the other side of the rack. As you can see, I started on the side where the ribs are more visible, so now I'm leaving the side with more meat facing up. Let's go. Now we add a little bit of black pepper. We also add garlic powder quite generously. We're going to keep adding some flavor. I add oregano. Let's see if it comes out of the jar. Perfect. On top, and rosemary, which gives it a sensational aromatic touch. Also, we're going to add sweet paprika to taste. There it is. And finally, a good splash of whatever dairy you like best. This combination will take the flavor to the next level, so massage it just like at the beginning. And with what's left on your hands, rub underneath as well. Now that you have it, cover it with aluminum foil on the same tray that you're going to put in the oven later. And if you can leave it for a long time, even better. Ideally, you should leave it like this in the fridge the day before, but I recommend at least 1 or 2 hours. When it's time to start cooking, put it in the oven. You should have it preheated to 220 degrees Celsius or 440 Fahrenheit, always with heat from both the top and bottom, and you'll keep it at full heat for about an hour. After that time, look, what I do is turn it off and leave it there for 2 hours with the oven off. And that's the big trick so that the meat inside turns out amazing. Then if you want to give it the final touch, you can do this. You place it on a parchment paper or silicone mat and spread the fat that's left on the tray over it. See, I just brush it like this. It's so easy to coat with flavor. Once you have it ready, you wait until it's time to eat. And right before you eat it, you put it back here and finish it off at the same temperature as before. That's 220 Celsius or 440 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes so it gets crispy and hot. Then onto the plate and enjoy it. A fantastic and wonderful oven-baked meat that will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And look how the ribs come out. Incredible.
How great it is to eat delicious, freshly made meat baked at home with that special touch, and that just melts in your mouth. But you have to try it because you're going to love it. And while you're at it, let me know down in the comments. What's your favorite oven-baked meat and where are you watching the video from? That way we can travel all over the world, among other things.